Welcome to the ultimate squishy unboxing. Pick the right box or go bankrupt. Let's go! KFC dumplings. Pick a steamer, but avoid the vomit face. Starbucks time. Which cup has the epic heart sticker? Sneakerheads, are you getting the epic dumpling or the trash? Mini game. Spot 3 differences in 5 seconds. Put your glasses on, let's go, TikTok.
And here are all the differences. Did you spot them all? Let me know in the comments, genius detectives only.
Roblox round. Do not pick the glitching dumpling. Mr. Beast Feastables! Are we finding the jackpot dumpling? Blind box time! We need the heart eyes sticker. Search mission. Find the epic sticker hidden in the money. Illuminate the screen. Logan Paul's Prime. Red, green, or blue cooler. Happy meal time. Pick your box and pray for the good sticker. Oh man, please don't get the shattered screen dumpling. Search mission. Find the epic sticker hidden in the trash. Illuminate the screen. Who lives in a pineapple? Pick a box. Gotta catch 'em all. Pick your Pokeball right now. Sephora kids, don't get the acne dumpling. Minecraft chests. Watch out for the TNT, it will ruin your budget. Which Stanley Cup is hiding the epic dumpling? Spooky round. Who is waking up inside these coffins? Warning! Find the hidden subscribe button and click it in 3 seconds or you lose $50 million. Do it! Sus, pick a vent, but don't let the imposter dumpling get you. Movie night. Who burnt the popcorn? Don't pick that bucket. Crack the safe. Are we getting robbed or getting rich? Memory test. Close your eyes. Open. Wait, what just disappeared from the screen? Amazon delivery. Did you get scammed with a brick or get the epic gear? Hype beast shopping. Are you pulling the rare dumpling? Hogwarts time. Pick a hat, but don't get the frozen sticker. Mirror mode. The reflection is glitching. Find differences before time runs out. kill! Watch out for the hot sauce dumpling, it burns! Super Mario block, let's pull the invincibility star, guys. TikTok time. Are you going viral or getting completely banned? Hacker mode. Find the 4-digit code hidden in the background to unlock the mega jackpot. Lunchtime. What squishy is your mom packing you for school today? Avengers assemble! Does your dumpling have full power? Louis Vuitton trunks. Are we getting high fashion or a cheap knockoff? Is it real or is it a cake dumpling? Open the box and find out. Game over. Calculating your vault right now. Did you survive or did you go totally bankrupt? If you guessed more than 20 correct, congratulations, you are an absolute billionaire. But if you got less than 5, sorry bestie, you just went totally bankrupt. Drop your score in the comments below. Let's see who survived. If you had fun, smash that like button and follow the channel for more. See you next time.